setup for today, and here's a recap of how we made 35% gains on QQQ puts today. And so first of all, what we see is our trend strength is getting weaker. We make higher highs here, and then we don't make higher highs here. And so that's just showing that we're at least going sideways. But then we start seeing it creeping down, right? Going down towards our zero, right? Trying to get weaker. You see trend getting weaker as our market's going up. And so when our market's going up and our trend is going down, our trend strength is going down, that shows divergence. And so that means that this uptrend here is getting weaker and weaker. And so as it's going up, like I said over here, as it's going up, it's getting weaker. And so how do we capitalize on that, right? How do we capitalize on that divergence? And so first of all, when we see this pattern, we like to see a break of the structure, which is the RT band, right? And so when we see, so here's our RT band, right? And so we see this break of structure. We like to see a retest of this structure, and that's when we enter for our A+ setup. And then we go to lows of the day, or or lower lows, right? Equal lows. And then this is the money maker, right? This is our bread and butter setup. So basically, we get the break of the RT band, right? And we're like, okay, we're not going to enter now, but we're going to enter on this retest. We see price come up, retest it here, so we enter shorts here, and we run it all the way down to lows of the day. And this wick here was the lows of the day, and that's how we made 35% gains on the market today. And then now, here's how we can get deeper into this trade even more and say, hey, how did we find these take profits, and how do you have this stop loss, right? And so as you can see, if we threw a horizontal line at the top of our stop loss, you're going to notice that there's a lot of wicks here, right? There's one wick here, there's one wick here. There's a lot of respect. Price is either on the upside of this line or the downside of this line, right? And so that just shows that it's a good support level when you got a lot of wicks that are touching it, right? So we got 1, 2, 3, almost four wicks, right? I like to say 3 or more is a good support level. And so I wouldn't want to do like a support level up here of where this price is touches it 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 4 or 5 times, right? Because that's just too far. At least with this good level here, with this good support and resistance level, we get that 1 to 2 risk to reward. So every dollar we're putting in, we're getting $2 essentially. And then so now that's how we find our stop loss. And then how do we find our take profit? So you either go to the equal lows, which would be this lows here of this break, and then you can trend position, and then you can run it to the lows of the day. And so it's really not that hard, once you've been doing this for about a week, week or two, to really find these support and resistance levels, it's just it almost turns into muscle memory, And so basically, same with these lows, same with take profit. Take profit's normally pretty simple. You just do equal highs and run it to equal highs or lows of the day or highs of the day. It's pretty simple overall. And hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. We always need more. We always need more followers, guys. We're looking pretty dire. But yeah, I'll try to keep you guys posted on just more recaps and more trades and how I do it. And I might start a long-term series, guys. Just a long-term stock series of how I do that too, which would be pretty cool. Okay, guys. See you guys in the next one.